We're gonna try to troll for some blues today. And we got
That would have been priceless.
Tom's randomness with us.
Oh, I had one.
So we're gonna get on the water and hopefully we'll come back on with some fish. A little bit of a windy day. Had 2 runs. What's your thoughts of your first trolling for blues?
It's fast catfishing. Dude, I couldn't believe that catfish just surfaced like that.
Had a couple runs. The blues are spawning right now, so we're going to try to hit this shallow flat, and then we'll go back in this cove and we're going to throw out some jug lines, try our hand at that. They've been catching some big shovel in here too. So Hoover Reservoir, it's where the blues are at.
Now everybody knows it. Something else in there. Gonna put some cherry chicken out too, or
Yeah, might as well.
mix it up and give them some flavors. God, I hate this stuff. Oh, I don't want to get this on your boat.
You ain't hurting the boat none.
No, but I got it in 2 bags, so I won't have to. I got like 3 different bags of the same stuff. God, this stuff's gross. They're rolling out here even.
Look at you, you sissy.
Oh, it's gross though. This is 5-day-old chicken at this point.
Well marinated.
Cherry Kool-Aid and garlic.
That might not unravel as well.
It's probably not gonna unravel. I just thought of that after I threw it.
Bluegill will take off with it.
It's only 6 foot. I mean, I'll find it. Had a nade tape in it. Yeah. Yeah, that's that either, dude.
Nah, we got some fresh, I guess, if you want to call it fresh.
There ain't no way they've traveled that far, that much weight. They didn't look like they were chewed up. Those are cool though. Lot cheaper to make them than it is to buy those like that. Dude, I don't think the catfish is pulling that big bastard under there. That's awesome.
Some of yours are kind of pulled out a lot further out than were.
Remember, one didn't have a thing on it. Or whatchamacallit. A weight. That's probably the one that's out there.
Yeah, but look how far that one's moved. It was out at the end of that tree.
That one right there?
No, right there in front of us.
Oh, okay.
The one with the orange. Remember you dropped that
Yeah, we threw it up
carp.
at the end of the tree, yeah. Oh, I hope he didn't get off. Man, that just got my juices flowing. Hey, he's still on there. I just got my whole rear end wet sitting right here after I just pulled all them big ones. He pulled that whole thing under. Oh my God.
Did it get off?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's one back here. I didn't think we dropped.
I don't think we jumped in.
All I know is that one's moved.
That sucker pulled that clear under.
Was that the bluegill? No, that was,
Tell you in just a second.
I think that was shad.
Dude, he pulled that under.
Yeah.
I've caught 15-pound shovel heads like this, and they didn't pull it all the way under like this.
Yeah, it shot it under. It hit it quick.
I bet this was cherry chicken. It's nope, it was a shad, and he got jacked up. That's a big one. That's a blue cat.
Yeah, he ain't happy.
I can't get his head in. Got it. That is a landed 15-pounder right there.
I don't know. He might be 15, might be a little less.
That is a giant. Give me that other pole. Holy cow.
That's what we came for. That was as soon as it hit the water.
Insane. Insane, dude. That's a beautiful fish.
I literally just casted that out and sat the pole down.
That is a giant.
I'm gonna throw all my rods in the water.
12 pounds.
12 pound, 1 ounce.
Awesome.
Yeah, talk to me. After he tried to take my thumb off. Or did he come off? No, he's... Did he come off? No, he's swimming.
Yeah, there he is. Big one. Dude, that's bigger than the last one, ain't it? No, it's skinnier.
He's got a mess.
Wait a minute. Get in there. That's it, though. That's a nice one. That's 8 or 10 pound.
Fish, what did you do? What did you do?
It's worth it.
No, quit talking back to me. Might help if I was recording it.
That's awesome. Here, let me get a picture with it on there. I'll send it to you. He's shaking like crazy, ain't he?
Yep.
I see what you mean with the net, how it mars him up a little bit, but that ain't gonna hurt. Slime off the side.
Alright. Gotta let go of it.
Toad. Toad, dude. That's 2 freaking monsters.
Now let's fix this mess. He's coming toward the boat though.
I know, I see it. Damn it. Get out of your way.
Come on.
That's a toad. I haven't seen him yet. Where's he at? Is that shovelhead?
I don't know.
Oh, no.
Oh, digging.
He ain't done yet. That's a shovelhead, for sure.
I don't know. Oh.
I'm worried about
Come up.
That's a beast, dude. It's gotta be a damn beast. Holy shit, dude. Oh my god, your drag. Where's your drag at? Oh my god, that's a 40 pounder. 30 pounder. Oh, that scared the shit out of me. He's in the net.
Oh, he's all wrapped up in the
No,
net.
he's in it though. He's in it. Freaking giant, dude! That's a freaking giant. That's your biggest catfish.
Yeah.
That's for sure your biggest
Well,
catfish.
biggest one out of here anyway.
Holy cow.
Oh, that's a toad. This one might hurt me trying to get a picture.
Oh my gosh,
Oh,
dude.
shoot. All right, I gotta get this one in.
We gotta get out of here after this. This is a perfect day already.
I didn't get it on camera.
I can send you pictures.
All right, bear on.
Fish Ohio blue cat.
Well, maybe.
Here, let me hold it for you. Or hold your camera.
Fail.
That's a giant.
28.15. Hold.
28.15.
I was gonna say 29.
29 pounds.
Whew. Back to the depths.
Just a giant. Absolute stud, dude. That's freaking what it's all about. That's freaking what it's all about.
Why is it?
That one pole in that one spot every time.
We're out of the water, and I wish it wasn't so one-sided today and this guy would have caught something a little bigger than some crappie. But all in all, it was a good day. Glad you all could join us. Until next time, I'm going to say peace. We